Hi, my name is Lynn Oeding. I'm the director of Lifted. We're here at the Park Plaza Hotel near downtown Los Angeles. We just shot a one-day narrative short film shoot for DJI. It's about a little girl and her father, and it's a cool little dramatic action story.
Hi, my name is Phil Mayhew, director of photography. I got a call from Lynn Oeding, who is doing an action piece where he needed the camera to move a lot, and they wanted a feature look to it, and I was interested, and I thought this sounded like an interesting project. We designed shots to work with the Ronin-M, which takes a very small camera. It has a stabilizer motor so that the thing can be moved and transferred from one carrier to another, like a crane or a person walking or a piece of machinery.
What Lynn was trying to achieve in the short film is this sort of, extended shots and this ability to move very quickly.
Believe it or not, we shot the whole thing in 7 hours due to the child labor law, and that was possible with the DJI-Ronin-M because of our ability to get a lot of setups in a short amount of time.
I think it has a lot of uses in individual bits and pieces to make up a good action scene, like following motorcycles and going through doorways or through small apertures.
We had an RC car that had a Ronin-M mounted to it. We went under a row of tables. We would not have been able to do that with a traditional Steadicam. The Ronin-M allowed the RC car to keep the shot very stabilized. One of the setups we had today was with the DJI S1000. It was about 45 feet up in the air, and it dropped with a chandelier in the foreground to reveal the little girl running down the hallway. We did a handoff where we used the Ronin-M, we caught it, clipped some zip ties, and went straight from an aerial move into a handheld move as she ran up the stairs.
I think we did some interesting stuff with this little movie, and I think you're going to be quite impressed. Once you've seen the film, you'll be able to comment for yourself.